Hello.
Hello,
Good afternoon.
pet.
Hello, seagull. How are you? Look at you. Kita mo na yung magnugsit. Dapat getting makaltoyo. How are you? Aro?
Ako rin niya.
Hmm? Yeah. Hi, this is the forest in Eastbourne where my uncle lives. So, hi, hey, hello. This is where my uncle lives. Look at this, it's like a forest. And look at this tree. Oh, beautiful. Hmm? And look at this at the back. Bigger trees. Oh, it's beautiful like a forest. Yeah. It's a big home. Like a residential home. For elderly. Look at that. Oh. Hmm. I'm cooking. Wow, look at that.
Mag-research ba si ano yan, si Ate? So yun po, Telegram, salamat pa ano, pag
Cooking spaghetti.
sasama ko naman po si Jenny. Segue lang ako para pampatawa. Ay, di ba, gusto mo ba sa inyo yung mga nagpapashoutout sa taga po ko ka? Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Na-shoutout na. Masaya daw sila. Na-shoutout sila. Sobra silang ano. Arigato sa amin. Mga taga Pugi ko family. Shoutout.
This is Uncle's house.
Dad, okay ka, Ken? Mandilo yun. Mandilo yun. Masakit ko yun.
I'm here in Uncle's house with Tintino. Thank you. I'm cooking spaghetti for our dinner. Thank you. Bye.